In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the data analysis tool pack in Excel. This feature is a game changer for anyone looking to perform complex statistical or engineering data analysis, but it's not immediately visible in the standard Excel setup. So let's dive in and get it activated on your Excel program. First things first, let's start Excel. The journey begins by opening up this powerful piece of software. Whether you have it pinned to your taskbar in your start menu or you're finding it through a search, go ahead and launch Excel. For this tutorial, we're not focusing on any specific document, so feel free to open a new spreadsheet or work with an existing one where you'd like the data analysis tool pack to be available. Once Excel is up and running, you're going to want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window, where you'll find the File tab. This is more than just a single-click destination, it's your gateway to adjusting Excel's deeper settings and preferences. So give that File tab a click, and watch as the Backstage view of Excel opens up before you. Now that you're in the Backstage view, look down the list of options on the left side and click on Options. This command is somewhat of a magic door to Excel's inner workings, allowing you to customize your Excel experience to your liking. Clicking Options will open the Excel Options dialog box, a place where the true customization of Excel begins. In the Excel Options dialog box, you'll see a series of categories listed on the left. Your target here is add-ins. This selection is going to bring you closer to enabling the data analysis tool pack. With add-ins highlighted, you'll notice the main window changes to display a list of available add-ins, but we're not finished yet. The key step here is at the bottom of this dialog box. You'll see a small drop-down menu next to the Manage label. Ensure it's set to Excel add-ins and then click Go. This action opens up the add-ins dialog box where you're just a few clicks away from your goal. In the add-ins dialog box, you have a variety of tools at your disposal, but the one we're interested in today is the analysis tool pack. Scroll through the list until you find this option, and then, using your mouse or trackpad, place a check mark in the box next to it. This simple action is akin to casting a spell that adds powerful statistical capabilities to your Excel toolkit. After you've selected the analysis tool pack, all that's left to do is click OK at the bottom of the add-ins dialog box. This confirmation step is like telling Excel, yes, this is what I want to do. And voila, with that the magic is done. To see the fruits of your labour, navigate over to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. This tab is typically home to data-related tools and functions, and if you followed along correctly, you'll now see Data Analysis among the options. This new addition is your gateway to a suite of analysis features that weren't previously available. From performing complex statistical tests to financial modelling, the Data Analysis tool pack opens up a world of possibilities. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding the data analysis tool pack in Excel. This feature is invaluable for anyone looking to do more than just simple spreadsheets. Whether you're a student handling a statistics assignment, a business analyst crunching sales numbers, or an engineer working on a project, the data analysis tool pack equips you with the tools you need to analyze and interpret data in powerful ways. Remember, Excel is a robust platform, and this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what it can do. So experiment with the data analysis tool pack, explore its functions, and don't be afraid to dive deeper into Excel's capabilities. Who knows what insights you might uncover? Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I wish you all the best on your data analysis journey.